Hey friends, and welcome back to another template tutorial. Today we are making this really cute little birdhouse, so come along. So first thing you want to do is cut out the template and then tape together RB1 and RB2 at the point where it's marked attach here. We're going to start out by rolling out a 1/2 centimeter slab, and we're going to cut out all of our template pieces out of this 1/2 centimeter slab. What Bianca is doing here is she's cutting out 2 of them, and then she'll roll out another 1/2 centimeter slab for the final piece. Okay, first we are going to start off with the roof. So you want to cut each straight end of the roof at a 45-degree angle while flipping it in between. This is going to create an overlapping seam. And then go ahead and score the pieces, slip if you need to, and stick them together to make this sort of cone shape. If you're adding texture to your roof, don't worry about making this perfectly invisible because for the most part, texture will hide any sort of seam here. Okay, we're moving on to the body of the birdhouse, and just like the roof, we want to cut each end at a 45-degree angle, flipping in between so that these seams will overlap. Once again, score and then line those seams up and press them together. Okay, next up we're going to attach the bottom of the birdhouse. So you want to put the body of the birdhouse on top of the bottom so you can mark where they will be attaching. The bottoms are always a little bit bigger so that you can attach first and then trim. So you want to mark where it's going to attach, score there, and then you can attach the pieces together. Once they're fully attached, go ahead and trim the excess and blend. Okay, next we're going to be attaching the roof. So you want to set the cone on top of the body of the birdhouse and mark where it's going to be attaching. This is going to help us know where to score inside the roof. So go ahead and score both sides and press to attach. Okay, now the body of the birdhouse has been completed, so you can go ahead and use your creativity to make any sort of decorations that you desire. You can see some samples here. There's a page of your template that will include some more ideas for you, but this is just going to get you started. You can, of course, add any sort of thing that you like to your birdhouse. Keep in mind the size of the hole needs to be the size of the bird that you want to attract. Since this is a fairly small birdhouse, you're going to want to appeal to chickadees or small sparrows or things like that. But of course, with all my templates, you can always size up the template if you want to appeal to larger birds. If you want to see more variations on this template or just get more ideas for how to customize your birdhouse, I actually have a whole video featuring these birdhouse templates on my main channel, which I will link down below in the video description. And here is the final result. I love this template mostly because you can customize it. You can use this template over and over again to make a bunch of different designs. Bianca did such a nice job here. I especially love the little stones around the door. Super, super cute. If you want to get more ideas, I have some more photos of birdhouses over on my website, which will be linked down below. And you can also see the video on my main channel where I made a bunch of different birdhouses using this template. All right, friends, I hope that was fun for you, and I hope you enjoyed the template. Have a nice day. Bye, friends.